Blessed love, Roots family. Welcome to my little corner of earth. You are at the right place. Yeah, man, I am Herbalawes, and this is the Herbalawes garden. This is more than just a garden with soil and plants. It's a living meditation, a place where I root myself daily. Welcome. Roots family, these beauties you're looking at right now, they carry the spirit of nourishment. This garden bed here, yeah, it carries the aloe, which is the healer, the panadol, the fresh cut, the marigold, yeah, and it carries callaloo, kale, and pop chai, yeah, the great basil, yeah. This is not just a vegetable garden. This is vegetables that carry iron, fiber, minerals. So it's not just vegetables which you can add as a side dish. Yeah, it carries iron, vitamin, minerals, fiber. Yeah. Roots family, it's a powerful It source. Also carry my own scallion, escallion. So whenever time I'm steaming my callaloo, I have my own scallion. Sight? Now, there's no time in this garden, but there's this beautiful herb called marjoram. Yeah, it can work as a spice. It can work just like how the thyme work. Yeah. But what? I'm gonna sip some tea this morning from this herb. Yeah man, marjoram tea, you know. Relaxes the eye, you know. Anytime I walk in the garden, I see medicine, I see food, I see wisdom passed down from our ancestors. When I tend to these plants, I'm not just gardening, I'm reasoning with nature. The earth speaks and I listen. Every root, every leaf has a story to tell. This is Herbalawes, where healing grows.